Welcome to Luxury Auto Info, your ultimate destination for the latest updates and insights into the world of premium cars and SUVs. Today, we're diving into a game-changing addition to the legendary Land Cruiser lineup. Meet the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Mini, a compact yet rugged SUV that's ready to redefine adventure. Toyota has taken a bold step by introducing a smaller, more affordable version of its iconic off-roader. The Land Cruiser Mini maintains the DNA of its larger siblings while offering a more urban-friendly design. It's tailored for those who crave the Land Cruiser experience, but need a more compact package for city driving and weekend getaways. The design of the Land Cruiser Mini is unmistakably inspired by the classic Land Cruiser aesthetic. It features a boxy silhouette, aggressive front grille, and sleek LED headlights, all of which exude rugged elegance. Compact dimensions make it perfect for navigating tight city streets without compromising on its off-road capabilities. Under the hood, the 2025 Land Cruiser Mini is expected to offer efficient yet powerful engine options, including hybrid variants. Toyota has focused on delivering excellent fuel economy without sacrificing performance. The SUV is equipped with advanced all-wheel drive systems, ensuring it can handle challenging terrains with ease. Inside, the Land Cruiser Mini offers a well-crafted and tech-rich cabin. Premium materials, comfortable seating, and an intuitive infotainment system make it a perfect blend of luxury and practicality. Advanced driver assistance features ensure safety on and off the road, making it an ideal companion for both families and adventure enthusiasts. This compact SUV is designed for versatility. Whether you're commuting in the city, heading out for a weekend camping trip, or tackling rough trails, the Land Cruiser Mini has you covered. It's built to handle various lifestyles and demands, making it a strong contender in the growing compact SUV market. Toyota has also kept sustainability in mind with the Land Cruiser Mini. Hybrid options align with the brand's commitment to reducing carbon emissions while delivering top-notch performance. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Mini combines legendary reliability, modern technology, and a more accessible design, making it a must-see for anyone considering a compact yet capable SUV. Thanks for watching Luxury Auto Info. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in the world of luxury SUVs.